Hey y'all, it's Lonnie and welcome back to my channel, Lonnie on Life, where we talk about everything mom life, wife life, kid life, and homeschool. In today's video, I'm going to share with you some super easy DIY Christmas crafts. If you are interested, stay tuned and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Happy Vlogmas! So this first craft is a no-sew pillow. This kind of came to me on a whim. I got these patterned Christmas squares from Walmart. It was like a pack of 7 for about $5 or $6. We have this old couch that we're throwing out, and I thought, you know what, I could use the inside of the stuffing from the pillow to create some Christmas decorations. So as you can see, I am not using a sewing machine or a stitch to close these pillows up. I'm simply using a generous amount of hot glue. So what you want to do is just glue down 3 sides of your square, and then you are going to stuff it with the stuffing and then glue it shut. And that is it. Easy peasy. If you get the larger squares like I did, you'll only have 3 sides that you need to glue, because you can just fold it in half and use the closed bottom as one of your sides. Hopefully that made sense. But then you just stuff your pillow and try not to make it too tight, because you do still need some room to glue it all together. It doesn't have to be perfect, just make it the way that you like it. So I'm gonna go through the same process again. I folded this piece of material the long way to make it more of a longer rectangle. And again, I'm just using a generous amount of hot glue. I am going to glue down 2 sides, and then I'm going to stuff the pillow to my liking. And then I'm gonna use some hot glue again to close up that 3rd side. And this is how all 3 of them turned out. I think they turned out so cute, and it was so easy for me to do. I think I'll be making more little throw pillows this way. Okay, so this next one is more of a jazzing up than a DIY, because I didn't have to do too much. So I got these glass mason jars from Dollar Tree, and they say joy on them. I thought they needed a little bit more, so I also got some ribbon, and I'm going to add a bow detail to it. So what I'm doing right here is I cut 3 lengths of ribbon, 1 long, 1 medium, 1 small, and I am gluing those pieces of ribbon into a circle. And then I put a dot of glue in the middle of the circle and pinch it down to the other side so that it kind of looks like a little bow. Then I'll take all 3 pieces of ribbon, the long, the medium, and the small, and I'm going to stack them on top of each other. Kind of like Russian nesting dolls. So kind of like a nesting ribbon. Taking those 3 pieces, stacking them together, and gluing them. And for the tail of the bow, I just wrapped a piece of ribbon around and cut it at an angle, And then I'm just going to glue these on those mason jars. I glued one above the J, one above the snowflake that's standing in for the O, and one above the Y, so that I could have the word joy spelled out. And here is how they look on my entryway table in my hallway. I think they turned out super cute, and they look so cute with a miniature tea light in it at night. Okay, this next DIY I've been seeing everywhere, and I knew I had to do it. Kind of creating a lazy Susan, I guess it's called. Yeah. So I got these plates from Walmart in the wedding section. I really liked that brown. They're some brown chargers. And I also got this vase from Walmart. Everything was under $2. So I'm just painting this vase in the Waverly chalk paint in white. And then I am going to sand it down. I thought the pattern on the plates looked so cute, so I left the brown on there. And then I'm just gonna glue everything together. Okay, next I just used some hot glue to glue this onto the plate. That didn't work out very well, so I ended up using some tacky glue that I had to get it to stick. I'm glad it didn't work out because after I saw this, I hated it. So I did end up painting everything white, and I think it turned out so much better. Here's what it looked like. Okay, this next one is more of a jazzing up also. So I got these wooden light up wreaths from Target last year after the Christmas sale. If you don't know, go after the holidays to get your Christmas decor for the next year. You get things super cheap. And again, I'm using this rectangle of material from Walmart, and I'm just gonna cut it into 4 longer strips so that I can create some bows to go onto these wreaths. So to create these bows, I took the strips of material and I hot glued them down so that I could get a long tube. I'm going to use 2 tubes per bow. So 1 piece of material allowed me to make 2 bows, 1 for each of the wreaths. Okay, I'm going to attempt to explain how I created these bows. So I took one of the long tubes, fold the ends into the middle, and then I'm going to fold it back on itself and then back into the middle. So it kind of creates 2 layers of bows. One is a little bit longer in the back and the shorter one's in the front. And then I just take the second tube, wrap it around, tie it in a knot, and that's it. And lastly, I took some of this red mesh ribbon from the Dollar Tree. I wanted to kind of layer the tails of the bow. So I created a little tail with that mesh ribbon. I glued it down on the wreath, and then I'm going to glue my cloth bow right on top of it. I think they came out super cute. It was super easy to do, and they are making my front door sparkle. Okay, y'all, that's all I have for you today. Thank you so much for joining me in this easy DIY Christmas craft video. Let me know down in the comments below if you like these craft videos and I can continue to upload more. Tell me, this season, are you crafting or are you buying your decorations? Thank you for staying tuned in. I'll see you next time. Bye.